After getting introduced to the concept of constraint optimization, now we are going to solve it mathematically. There are actually two methods of doing the constraint optimization. First one is known as the substitution or elimination method. In this video we will learn about this. We have to come up with an objective function, which is our purpose, the maximization or minimization of which we will do. And in this case we are having a utility function which can be maximized. So this is what we are trying to do. So this becomes our objective function. There is a constraint, and that constraint is here mentioned in this equation. Now since we have two equations in terms of x and y, so we can solve them simultaneously, and that will give us the critical values of x and y, that is x status and y status. So this is what we are doing here, substituting those values once we solve them. So that value that we have extracted is from this constraint. The value of y is extracted and we put it back into the objective function. So here you can see the value of y is substituted in the objective function, which is simplified, and then we derive the first order condition by taking the derivative of this function, and it is equal to this term, from where we can extract the value of x, which is 8. So x status is now 8, and y status can be found by using this constraint here, the modified constraint, where y status should be equal to 30 minus 2 into x status. So this is x status, where we can put the value and we can get the value of y. Now it is y status, that is the critical value of y. Now if we have these two values, it is easy for us to find out the optimized value of the objective function, which would be the maximized utility. Here x status, y status and x status are the new symbols of the function, and now putting x status as 8 and y status as 14, we get this, and finally we get the maximized level of utility, which is 128. So in this way we have come up with the optimized value of utility, which is 128 units, and it will happen if the consumer consumes 8 units of x and y units 14 units of y. This will give him the utility which is maximum, and that level will be 128. And now in the next video we will learn about the second method of solving the constraint optimization situation. Thank you.